Hey guys, this is gonna be a short video this time. We just ordered and received a Borla Attack exhaust for our 2019 Ram Rebel. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start it up, get a sound bite, install the exhaust, and then get another sound bite, and that'll be the end of the video. Hang tight. So even stock, it sounds pretty good. It's the 5.7. There's no upgrades to it or anything. This will be the first one. So let's get to this. Don't know how long it's going to take. It's been years since I've done an exhaust on any vehicle. Well, guys, took the better part of half a day. Typical Florida weather. As soon as you start doing something, it starts pouring rain. Stop for lunch, but it is done. Also, no lift, laying on the ground, hand tools, you know, old school. So with that, let's see what this new one sounds like. That sounds badass. Right, that's the Borla Attack for the Ram Rebel. I'll put a link down below. I'm not affiliated or anything. Just have excellent reviews. All right, guys, thanks for watching. See you next time.